and welcome back to my channel, and a really happy new year to all of you guys out there. 2018 was a beautiful year for me, and thank you all of you guys for being a part of it. More than 2018, I want to talk about 2019, and oh lord, this year is giving me such crazy vibes. It's always, I know that a lot of people talk like new year, new me, but this time it is really different for me. Not just in terms of my work, but I also feel like for my self-care and a lot of other things around it. Basically, the whole vibe has been just amazing, and hopefully the year will continue to be so. And I wish that all you lovely guys out there have an amazing year ahead as well. Starting off with today's video, so when I was trying to figure out which were the most watched videos on my YouTube in 2018, amongst the sit-down videos, you guys loved watching my monthly favorites videos, so I thought I'll start off with this one. So yeah, let's just get started. So the first thing is this yearly planner. I got this one from Old Giraffe. I love the graphics and how it is designed. I'm going to show you guys how is it from the inside. But before that, I think yearly planners are a really cool thing to get for yourself and also to gift to others. I got this one for myself and the other one for my sister Dulcie. For me, how it works is that whenever I pen down my thoughts or my plans, I tend to be a little more effective. I used to do notes and type it down, but I don't know, when I write it down, it is always a better thing for me. So if you're not someone who's into writing down your plans, I would definitely suggest that you do it, because when you tick those little milestones off the list, it gives you those mini moments of happiness, and I don't know, I just like it, and that makes me a little more effective, and I would suggest that you guys do it as well. So number 2 in my favorites is this Coach wristlet. I loved this one. Just look at it. It is called the Heart Glitter Small Wristlet. It is beautiful. It is a birthday gift for me. I got it a little late. My birthday was in November. I got it in January. But that doesn't make me any less excited about it. Just look at that, how gorgeous it is. I haven't carried it yet, but I am just waiting for that perfect occasion or a party where I can carry it. So the next of my favorites are these earrings. These are from Aldo. It shines so beautifully. I love the size. It's not too big, not too small. I've been wanting to add these in one of my favorites videos since I think some 2 or 3 months now. That's how long it has been that I've been using it. And but I just couldn't, I somehow forgot to mention it all the time. But yeah, here I am with these. I usually wear it with a plain white t-shirt to my office, and it just lifts up my whole look. And yeah, that's about these. Next one is this lip color. It's from a brand called Remic. They do organic matte lipsticks, although that's not the reason why I picked it, because I'm not really into organic lipsticks. That's gonna be a bit too much, but I love the lip shade. I picked it up from an exhibition that was in Delhi, but I think they're also available on Instagram. I'll put down the link in the description box below for it. I loved the lip shade. The next thing on my favorites are the pineapple tabletops that are kept right here. Just look at these. They look super cute. I've kept 2 of these on my office desk as well, and now for this setup as well. It looks just too cute. It can make your desk or your study table or any corner of your room a little lit. You can decorate it with a little bit of fairy lights around it, and I think it'll look really cool. So these are available on Swishboss. I'll put the link in the description box below so you can pick these if you would want. So that was about my monthly favorites. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys super soon. Bye!